Hey guys, it's ARIBA and I'm back with a new DIY. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to do a shampoo and conditioner. So this shampoo and conditioner both have one thing in common. They both have coconut milk in them. So coconut milk is super soothing for your scalp and for your hair. It's packed with nutrients. It's very moisturizing. The shampoo and conditioner are super easy to make. They don't have too many ingredients in them. They are safe for children, but the shampoo is not tear safe. So it is gonna burn their eyes, so just be careful. I don't use it on my 1-year-old, but I do use it on my 3-year-old only because she listens in the shower, and if I tell her to put her head back, she puts her head back while I rinse the water out. But if your toddler doesn't, then I don't recommend using this in their hair, especially if they're used to shampoos that don't make their eyes water. This one will burn their eyes a little bit, but it is an all-natural shampoo and conditioner, so it is technically safe for children. Just be careful on the eyes with the shampoo on the little ones. So the hair conditioner that I'm sharing with you guys is very rich. You only want to use it very sparingly. So despite what Lils demonstrates in this tutorial, you only need a little bit of conditioner. And you want to work it into your ends and then slowly work it towards the top of your head. You never want to apply conditioner straight or directly onto your scalp, especially for your super fine haired gals. It's gonna make your hair way too greasy. This conditioner also works as a treatment, so you can leave it in your hair for 20 minutes as a hair mask. You can leave it overnight as a hair treatment, or you can apply it on your ends and mid shaft and roll it up and put a hot towel and use it as a hot treatment as well. So in this tutorial, I'm just gonna show you how to use it as a hair conditioner. So let's get started. To start the shampoo, we're gonna go in with a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. So that's 1/4 of a cup. And then we're gonna go in with 1/3 of a cup of Castile Soap. And this is optional, but anytime I put anything on my scalp, I like to go in with tea tree essential oil. It's really soothing on your scalp. And then you want to grab an old shampoo bottle or a squeeze bottle if you have, and just pour the mixture straight in, and that's it, you're done. Your hair, you only want to focus on your actual scalp. So you pour the shampoo on your scalp itself and you emulsify on your scalp. You don't want to rub your hair or roughen up your cuticle layer. It's really damaging for your hair. How you clean your actual strands is you just put the soap up top, emulsify here, and let the soap run down your hair, and that's what cleans the oils and all of the buildup off of your actual hair. So avoid doing this to your hair. It's horrible for your hair. So you just want to focus on your scalp. So obviously you would be doing this in the shower, but just to demonstrate for you guys, I'm not getting in the shower for you guys. I'm sitting on this chair with a towel, shampooing my hair. The things that I do for you guys. So I shampoo my hair only once a week. And when I shampoo it twice. And you don't need that much product. If you feel like it's not emulsifying, don't add more shampoo, just add more water. A lot of people waste a lot of shampoo in their hair because it's not fizzing. But that usually just means that you need more water, not more shampoo. All right, so I'm just gonna go rinse, and I'm gonna do this one more time because I wanna shampoo my hair twice, and then we'll come back and do the hair conditioning. To start the conditioner or hair mask, you want to go in with 1/4 of a cup of pure Shea butter. To melt the butter, we're going to go in with 1/3 cup of warm coconut milk. You don't want to heat up this butter because it takes away from the nutrients, so you want to heat up the milk, which will easily dissolve the butter. So once it's dissolved, you can go in with 1/2 cup of coconut oil. And I keep my oil out at room temperature, so it's already liquefied. And then this is optional, but you can go in with any essential oil that you like, and I'm going in with a few drops of lavender. So now you want to freeze this about 50%, and it should look something like this. And then you're going to go ahead and start to whip it. So just start slowly, or else it's going to fly all over the place. And then you can pick up a little bit more speed once it starts to thicken up. And then you only need to whip it for a few minutes, and it should start to look like whipped cream. And that's when you're done. But you can't eat it. It's not to eat, it's for your hair.
I'm gonna put my hair later.
You wanna put it on mommy's hair?
Hey, that's in my hair.
Where else do you want it?
I want to put it on here.
And you on your nose That's enough. No, that's way too much. That's too much.
On the floor.
Oh my God, Lils, that's too much. No, not on my face. Why? No. Why on my face? No, I just did my makeup. Lils, no. Stop. Not on my face. No. Why? Not here. No, it's for hair. No. Stop. No, not on my clothes. Stop. No, okay. We're not having a food fight. No. I'm so sad. No, Lils. Baby, no. Lils. Okay, mommy's under attack. What did you do? No. Lils, that's enough. Like it? Why are you messing it up? I just did it. Why are you messing up my hair? I just did it. Hey. I just did my hair. Don't mess it up.
Okay, let's start to apply your hair.
No, you want to pull? Wait, no. Why? Hey, no, Lils. Why? Ow, yo. What's your beef? What's your beef? Why, Lils? What's your beef? No, we're not pulling my hair. We're not pulling it. Ow. Let go. It's not funny. Why? Let go. Let go of my hair. Be nice. Mommy just did her hair. Does it look pretty at least? No, I'm asking you a question. Okay, Mommy's gonna pull your nose. I'm gonna pull your nose.
Bye.
And fine kissy. Mwah. Properly. Fine kissy, ready? Mwah.
Hello everyone, we have marshmallows.
You want marshmallows? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below letting me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button.